Hey everyone, it's Ruben here. Welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how we do some planting on our farm. We do have a lot of helping hands. I'm going to introduce you to them soon. So yes, let's get started. And if you like this video, please subscribe and turn on your notifications bell. So we're going to meet our helping hands. First up we have Martin, who is the specialist with the gardening. And then we have Lara. Come here, Lara. My cousin. She's also going to help me. That is the specialist. Now we're meeting the rest of the crew. Here we have, who's this? Betsy. Come here. Oh, she's getting heavy. This is Betsy. They are like a shovel with their noses, so they prepare the ground for us. Here we have Zoey. So Zoey is a banded mongoose and they love insects. So that's why she's doing such a good job to take care of all the insects. We need her a lot in the garden. Jerry is already busy working. Here we have Jerry. And he's also very helpful with controlling the insects. You can go work further. So here we have Minki. She's also a meerkat. She also takes control of the insects. So let's get started. We are gonna take this out. This is tomatoes that's already dead, as you can see. We did have to stop watering the plants because we were not sure about the rainfall this year. Let's go. You can see Zoey is just searching for insects. She knows there might be a chance. Oh, it's difficult to fit. Some hard work. As you can see, Zoey and Minki and Jerry, they all want to help us. So I just saw a cricket that I'm going to catch for either of the meerkats or Zoey. Hope I can catch. I'm fast enough. Good, I have it. You see, this is their favorite food. Go. She just loves it. Zoey. She's very athletic. Zoey, come. Search for the insects. Zoey, come. Betsy and Zoey is hard workers. The rest doesn't care really. Oopsie. We are quite lucky to have water this year. It is still a bad drought, but we can at least make a garden. We are very thankful for that. Each year is different. It's so unpredictable. See, Benny is enjoying the water. These are actually squash, which is old and rotten by now. Oh, you can see I even press all the way down. I don't think the warthogs will eat this. Betsy, would you like this? No, not even a warthog want to eat this. So I'm just wetting the soil, then we'll start with the planting. I would say I have green fingers. Yeah, I think I have. So I say I have green fingers, but everything was dead here, as you saw in the beginning of the video. But that was actually a choice we had to make because we didn't have enough water a few months ago. So yeah, now we luckily can plant a bit again. So yeah, that's happy days. So it's okay for them to drink muddy water. They are so strong, their bodies, and used to. Because in the nature they would drink water like this from the ground after it rained. So nothing will happen to them. It's totally normal for them. You can see how dry it is. Even though I wiped the topsoil off, it means it needs a lot of moisture. I don't wear gloves like most people would. I'm just used to working with my hands on the farm. So I'm not scared to make it dirty. And I see Lara's even shoeless. You have to go look there. This is the African style of getting earthy, being rounded, feeling close to nature. Oh, there's Minki. I thought she knocked off for work, but she's back. And Jerry also, look at there. He's like the supervisor at the moment. Yeah, you have to work hard if your boss is here. Zoey just caught a frog and she's eating it. I don't know, she eats everything, she's crazy. Okay, let's decide what we're gonna plant.
Now we are going to plant carrots, onions, and leaves.
And spinach as well.
Yeah.
So we are drawing lines just to put the seeds of the carrots in. So we're just making 3 lines. So it shouldn't be too close because otherwise the carrots will grow against each other and they don't expand and grow bigger. So now we're just gonna close it, the seeds that we have put in the ground. My back is already paining, old man. Lara, is your back paining?
Never.
Are you still a young lady? Yep. Me too. You don't complain
But
easy.
also a young lady.
Huh? So now we're gonna plant the spinach. We're again gonna make rows. I like doing gardening. It's kind of relaxing. Yeah, it's just nice to enjoy you hear the wind, the birds, the warthog at the back, Minky scratching somewhere here. So it's very relaxing and calming. Martin, do you enjoy it?
I enjoy it a lot.
And Lara? It's peaceful.
At one with nature.
And it's a feeling of giving life, like you put the seeds in and they grow, and it's a nice thing to see them grow. So Martin, what do you grow in the north of Namibia where you come from?
In the north we just grow maize.
Maize.
Yeah.
And mahango?
No mahango.
Not mango.
Yeah.
But was the rainfall good enough this year?
Yeah, it was good, yeah.
Good. So it's growing?
Yeah, it's growing, yeah.
Okay. That's good. Because some years, if the rain is not good, you cannot plant.
Yeah, you cannot plant, yeah.
It's a tough life. Very dependent on rain. So this is lettuce. It actually grows all year. You can see spring, summer, autumn and winter. But they grow really well in the winter because there's no insects. So that helps a lot. So everything planted. Now all we have to do is water it regularly, like every 2 or 3 days. And let's hope for the best. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this gardening video. Thanks to my helping hands. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. See you next time. Cheers.